Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the meeting background on Android phone. Alright guys, here I have created a meeting on my Zoom application and I'm going to change my background. So usually if we want to change our background, we have to go to the more option. Then we can change the background, but unfortunately there's no option to change my background right here. If you have the same problem, don't worry guys, because I want to give you a tutorial. So you have to go to your settings application on your Android phone. You have to go to the advanced features, and on this advanced features, make sure that you activate this video call effect. So if you don't have this video call effect feature, unfortunately you cannot change your background on your Android phone. But if you have this feature, you can activate it. Then you can go back to your Zoom meeting again. I'm going to open my Zoom meeting and we have to activate our camera. Okay, and this is the video call effect icon. You have to click on it to change your Zoom meeting background. Here you can choose background and you can click on image. Okay, and as you can see that my background has been changed. If you want to add more image to your background, you can go back to your setting. Go back to your settings, then you can click on the video call effect and you can add background image right here. Then you will be able to use the background image for your Zoom meeting. Okay, and go back to the Zoom meeting. And okay, now my background has been replaced with the new image. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background on Zoom meeting with Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.